Close your eyes and picture Christmas in America. The glow of lights in department store windows, the sound of jingling bells in a TV commercial, Santa Claus, rosy-cheeked, holding a bottle of Coca-Cola. These images feel timeless, but they were crafted, polished, and sold to us by advertisers. Today, we're unwrapping the story of how Christmas became not just a holiday, but a season of marketing magic. Now let's rewind to the late 19th century. Department stores like Macy's and Wanamaker's weren't just selling goods, they were selling experiences. Imagine walking past a window in New York City in 1870. Mannequins dressed in velvet, toys arranged like a miniature wonderland, candles flickered against frosted glass. These displays weren't just decoration. They were invitations to step inside and buy into the magic. By the 1880s, Santa Claus was already appearing in ads. He wasn't just delivering gifts, he was nudging parents to purchase them. Sears and Montgomery Ward brought Christmas shopping to rural America. A child in Kansas could flip through glossy pages and dream of toys just like a child in Chicago. Christmas was becoming national, and advertising was the sleigh that carried it across the country. Fast forward to 1931. Coca-Cola hires artist Hayden Sundblom to paint Santa Claus. Out goes the stern, bishop-like figure of old. In comes a plump, jolly man in a red suit, sipping Coca-Cola by the fireplace. Sundblom's Santa was warm, approachable, and endlessly cheerful, and he stuck. For decades, Coca-Cola ran these ads, embedding this vision of Santa into the American imagination. Before Sundblom, Santa's image varied, sometimes thin, sometimes dressed in brown or green. After Coca-Cola, the Coke Santa became universal. It wasn't just soda being sold. It was the very face of Christmas itself.
On Sunday, December 4th, Burl Ives again tells the exciting news story of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on the General Electric Fantasy Hour.
The 1950s brought prosperity and television.
Wrapping gifts can be fun, gives a feeling of joy to everyone. Christmas time is almost here, with General Electric gifts to add to the cheer.
Suddenly, Christmas advertising wasn't confined to print. It was in your living room, flickering in black and white, then in color. Families gathered around the TV and advertisers knew they had a captive audience. GE's Holiday Lights commercials promised modern convenience wrapped in festive cheer. Hallmark's sentimental ads leaned into nostalgia, showing families reunited with cards exchanged across miles.
I don't want to grow up, I'm a Toys R Us kid. They got a million toys at Toys R Us that I can play with.
Toy jingles, I don't want to grow up, I'm a Toys R Us kid, became earworms that children repeated until parents gave in. Christmas ads shifted tone. They weren't just selling products, they were selling feelings, joy, togetherness, nostalgia, and Americans bought in. Some of our most beloved Christmas characters were born not from folklore, but from marketing campaigns. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, created in 1939 as a Montgomery Ward giveaway booklet, a clever way to draw shoppers into stores.
Happy birthday!
There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found.
Frosty the Snowman, popularized through a song and TV special, brought character licensing tied to product promotion. Brand mascot Campbell Soup's Snowman, Hershey Kisses ringing like bells, ads that became tradition themselves. Sometimes the ads even outlived the products. They became part of the holiday canon, replayed year after year until they felt like family.
Folks want the best buy on all things technology.
For it to be $100 off is pretty good.
And the top rule for a techie, be the first to have anything. That includes the front spot in line.
We're just talking, hanging out.
Even if it means waiting since midnight, like Jose Segura.
Took a nap.
Yadita Wong isn't first, but it is her first time joining the madness of early doorbusters.
I wanted to try something new, something different. And so that's why we skipped Thanksgiving.
And she's already sold on another round of shopping.
Well, I'm going to do it again tomorrow.
Ronnie Kearns bought into the idea a while ago. This is his 6th year. This year, 6 hours passed quickly.
By the late 20th century, Christmas advertising had become a cultural event in itself.
Clear your calendars, chug that coffee, and wake the kids, because this Friday is Black Friday at Mega Mart.
Black Friday!
It's the biggest shopping day of the year, and we're giving you incredible savings with
Mega Mart's 12-minute madness.
This is the shortest, craziest sale in retail history.
Black Friday ads screamed urgency. Cyber Monday banners promised deals at midnight. And with the rise of the internet, Christmas marketing went digital. Social media campaigns, hashtags like Share a Coke or Holiday Magic encouraged consumers to spread ads themselves. Influencers became promoters. Instagram posts of cozy sweaters and Starbucks holiday cups blurred the line between lifestyle and advertising. And with the internet came global reach. American Christmas ads now influence traditions worldwide, from Tokyo to London. Think of Apple's emotional holiday short films or Amazon's global campaigns. These aren't just commercials. They're mini movies designed to make us laugh, cry, and of course, shop. So what does this all mean? From department store catalogs to TikTok ads, Christmas in America has always been shaped by marketing. These campaigns didn't just sell us toys or soda. They sold us the very images and traditions we now call Christmas. The jingling bells of Hershey Kisses, the Coca-Cola Santa, the glowing Macy's windows. They're more than ads. They're history. And they remind us that in America, Christmas has always been both a celebration and a sell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday to all of you who celebrate. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.